Alright guys, I just want to show you something. Here I am in Lumber Tycoon, and this is my sawmill. It's a 02. I saved up all my life savings for this. Spent like 2 years trying to get one of these because they're really expensive. And so we're just gonna put a log in here. The reason it's expensive because I also have to spend my money on my own child support. Let me just chop this. Alright, let's see where it goes. So here, get this out of here. We have this. Okay, it goes here. Get in here where you belong. Alright. Get over here and why am I going inside? Okay. This is get it. I kept it's going with it too. Let me have it. Get out of here. Alright, it's going up. Oh yeah, I gotta put my car. There's my car. Let's get my car. Close the door. My store's open, but nobody's gonna buy it from anyways. Let's put it here. Close the door. The wires. Let's leave it for. So let's put the whole entire tree in. Why do I have so many Why do I have so many samples of this? This is my lava wood sample storage. I don't even get lava wood anymore because I found out that there's more woods that are actually worth more than this, and I don't want to risk my axes again. I love my axes. I treat them like my own children. That's why I have to pay child support. And here, let's put my children in here. Thank you. Now go do your homework. Why is it stuck? Hold on. Maybe I'll just chop that, and then it's like French fries. Give me this. Take this out. Take this out. It's French fries. Give me this. I want it. I want to eat some. In a goblet. Alright. Where am I putting this? Give me it. Where'd it go? Give me this. We don't need this anymore. Give me that. I want it. I want it. Get in here. Come on. Alright. Let's see. Oh shoot. That's not good. Three. Don't mind my keyboard, it's kind of loud. So I'm probably gonna wake up if I was playing a rhythm game in the middle of the night, I would have waked up the whole neighborhood. That's how loud it is. Alright, we got this. Now we just put it back in there where it belongs. Let's get this. I'm gonna drop this and then sell it all. Show you the ease of this. I'm probably not gonna make a tutorial because I don't do those and I don't really know, but all I can say is I can give you tips on how to make it. So you need a bit of hatches and you need like a lot of wires. Give me this. So then with those wires, you gotta put them in the the wires, you put them inside of you put them on like a lever to connect, and then you place on the hatches, like 4 hatches. You get them from Link's Logic. You place them. See, they're connected to all, because if they can't really do it all at the same time. So then look, it's up there. Make sure it opens them all, and if it's not falling, then you just gotta give them a quick touch. Yeah, see? Alright. And then you just gotta turn that off. There should be more coming in, so I'm just gonna get as much as I can. We know you want that Fortnite loot. We all want some Fortnite loot. Oh, I forgot about these. Sorry for the lag, guys. It's just a bunch of notifications, like 28. But just where go in anyways. Some extra $2, I guess. It's unit. Ooh, some burnt wood. They'll probably sell for like $0, so I'm not taking that. Oh, more burnt wood. I love the tree land. Let's get some more. We're gonna fill up our whole entire truck. Oh yeah, you need like a bunch of space to park your truck in, or maybe put the spawner. Because if you need trailers, you're gonna have to have more and more space. Like I don't even know who would have that much trailers. Probably some guy crazy for money. But you could just put those trailers in. Some guy that wants money. Ooh. Oh shoot, that was so close. I almost chopped it in the wrong place where I didn't want it to be chopped. Let's get this out of here. Oh no! No! Oh no. It's not good. I've killed somebody. It's not gonna save anyway. Oh wait, we could get some extra money. I know I called the people with lots of trailers crazy for money, but I might be a little bit crazy for money myself. Alright. I learned how to fling things like really far, like or like you can just you can it's kind of like aimbot or something. You gotta practice it more, and then you'll be able to like land it in the spots where you want. Like you can do this in any game where you can basically grab stuff, so then you can just go like, or like yoink. So put this somewhere we want it. Pressure plate. I'm wasting time here. Just forgot about what this video is. Just showing off this thing. Let's see. I gotta speed up this. Get in there. Sorry guys, I came back from school and I'm so tired. Just kidding, I'm not tired at all. We're gonna stack them. How'd that fall off? Did it just get flinged by the wood sweeper? The wood sweeper is so broken. Like, look how broken it is. See? It's like really broken. Like you can even like it's I don't think it's really that broken. It's just the problem is the problem would probably be that there's a lot of people who load in like really big bases, and you see this is my ping. It will go up to like the 10,000 like and then everything would slow down, which would really mess it up. And I'm just gonna show you how many children I have in there. Wood sweeper, it's like really old. I had it since I was like 9. Alright, let's see. See, it even has ice in that. And look, it's even stuck. Look at how broken it is. Yep, let's sell that wood now. Alright, so you see, it's gonna rain down. Hold on. Alright. Alright. Oh no. Get in there. Alright, put them in there. Off. Let's go see what we can buy. Once we redeem this. It's a little bit birch, it's a little bit oak. But it's fine. As long as we're getting the money. Sorry for the lag, guys. I'm like really sorry. I don't really usually record this much lag. Alright. That's about something. That's something, and it's pretty good. I'm just gonna put it back so then when I get back into this, so then when I join back to this game, I don't lose my truck. I don't want to spend another 380 bucks. It's like the worst thing you can do. I can buy like TNT with that, and then I could like lower the bridge, then buy TNT, then come back with that much money. So just I don't know what I'm doing. I should probably end it right here.